Good, let's have a look at this. This is like a Tipp-Ex pen, so it's designed to excrete like a white paste to correct your errors, if there are any in your writing. And as you see, it's dried up, probably because it's like 10 years of age. But as you can see, it's not a regular pen. It's like flexible and it seems to be hollow inside, and it has a really big tip on top. And yeah, I think that's reason enough to take it apart and look what's in there, right? And I thought, when I'm doing a mess, then I can have you guys like watch it, so you don't have to make a mess of yourself. Let me get some tools and then, yep, we start. Righty, at first I thought about cutting it, but looking at it, it looks like this thing is just bolted on there. So let's try another approach at first. Okay, so it was apparently not dried up all the way. Or maybe it was, you see it's getting already chippy there. See, and that is the white paste that is supposed to cover your mistakes. And as we see, this is just, or is it? Okay, there's still something left in there. And demonetized. But there's also something hard down here. So we have a look at this. Actually, do I have some tissues here? There. What is that? Ah, okay. You see, I hope I shook it before, but I think I didn't. But we weren't able to hear anything. But you know, the spray cans, if you shake them, they have like a weight in there to steer up the contents. I think that's that. That's just a metal rod that is supposed to go like up and down when you shake it, like this, to steer up the content, and that is this. But since this is so dried up, it wasn't able to just go back and forth in there. Oh, this already dried up, nice. So that's supposed to be like that, right? You wanted to just cover your mistake with this paste, and then you want it to dry as fast as possible. So I don't think that this is a good idea, is it? But the fast drying is also what killed this device, because yeah, the tip obviously just dried up. Okay. See, there's a little kind of snake in there. Let me clean that up. Oh, this is actually a spring. Oh yeah, so before it dried up, I should have been able to just push this up and down to help clean this off. You see, then the tiny rod will go back and forth and maybe declog everything from the dried up paste. Okay, that is this, and then this is just a plastic holder, and in there we have like the reservoir. Bleh. See, it is not that clogged up. Well, it's fascinating, it's already dry. You see, I just pulled it out like 10 seconds ago, and it's already brittle and dry on the top. And by the way, yeah, you should clean yourself afterward. But I think that's it, that's just the pass-through. That is getting smaller and smaller towards the end. And unfortunately it dried up, but since it's like 10 years of age, it's fascinating that it's at least, that it was at least some kind of usable after all. Yeah, here, that's it. It's just a pass-through. So, easy peasy. I just have the paste, it comes down here. It has like a little declogging mechanism and something to steer it up. And yeah, that's the way how you get rid of your mistakes when writing. See you.